we're going to mix that's the whole bottle. So let's do that first. You want half a teaspoon of baking soda. Next is the food coloring. I'm using red. Just a couple of drops in there. I like mine very red. Now you want to give this a mix. Now it is time to add our contact solution. It's best to work with kids. And you don't really measure this. You just add just a little bit. And then you mix again. I'm going to also add some red glitter. Now if you want, you can add extra things to your slime. I am adding some glitter. I like lots of glitter. Now I'm going to add the baby oil so that way it doesn't stick to my skin or the bowl. And I'm just eyeing this again. There we go. Get all that side off. I'm going to add just a little bit more maybe. There we go. And that is how you make kid-friendly slime. Use a bowl. You can see that sparkle we got in there. This is so much fun to play with.